Welcome to C49 Hockey Breaks, box break number 361, and today we've got our second box of last week's release, 2021 Stature. If you have not yet checked out last week's box break, break number 360, our first box of 2021 Stature, definitely go back and check out that video, as we did have a very nice pull from our first box of 2021 Stature, so of course had to get some more of it. This is very nice stuff. I am very happy with the way that Stature turned out this year. Wasn't a big fan in 1920, but I like the looks of this stuff so far. So second box here today, 2021 Stature, and the sticker that's normally on the front that we look at is number 434 today. So our second box of 2021 Stature. Let's get into it. Hopefully we can pull something just as nice or nicer than last week. It's going to be very tough though. So our one pack, it's decently thick, but I feel it is thinner than last week's pack, so I don't think we have a patch. We do not. No patch today, unfortunately, but we could still have a big rookie auto, hopefully. So got our blocker in there, and let's see what Stature has in store today. Go off the top. We've got a base Andrei Svechnikov. Andrei Svechnikov base starting us off. Second, we've got a Nate McKinnon base. Nathan McKinnon. We will go down bottom. We've got a Gradius, David Pastrnak. Kind of a cool photo there with Lundqvist in the background. We will go back up to the top. We've got a green rookie base number 46 of 175. Jason Robertson. That's the star you're looking for. Jason Robertson. I imagine the way Jason Robertson is selling right now, this is probably a decent pull. Hopefully something nicer down here though. We've got a Gradius green number 63 of 149. Austin Matthews, with good names on our numbered cards. I feel like our autograph is not going to be the best. So continuing down, we've got a Prodigies number 35 of 75. Thomas Harley. Prodigies. So if it is a 2 auto box, this next card will be an auto. It is, so we are going to have a 2 auto box, as we have an update auto, Teuvo Teravainen from 1920 Stature base autograph, Teuvo Teravainen. So 2 auto box, I guess can't really complain about that, but hopefully this last card is a big auto here. Sharks. Nikolai Korsakov, green. 33 of 85. Nikolai Korsakov. I believe I'm pronouncing that correct. I've seen a few breakers that, group breakers, that when they pull this guy, they don't even attempt to say his last name. 33 of 85. Rookie auto, green. So, not the best player, but decent. At least it's a shorter print, green to 85. Not the best box. Definitely not as good as our first box, but at least we had 2 autos, so tough to complain about that. Do a quick recap here. We had Svechnikov, McKinnon, Pasternak, Robertson. I feel like this might actually be the best card in the box. Matthews, Harley, update auto Teuvo Teravainen, and our second auto, rookie auto, green. 33 of 85, Nikolai Korsakov. Well, folks, that is going to do it here for box break number 361, our second box of 2021 Stature. I will probably do another box or two of this. We've had one really good box, one not so good box, so next box would be the tiebreaker. So, but I think next week we are going to finish off the 11 box raffle win with the retail box of 16-17 Upper Deck Series 1 hunting Mr. Austin Matthews. That is the 11th and final box from that 11 box raffle win. So look forward to that next week, and should have a Mystery Pack Monday up on Monday this time. I missed this past week, did not have time to get an episode recorded, but yeah, hopefully this coming Monday there is an episode, but did have a mail day and a monthly recap Tuesday and Wednesday, so this made up for missing an upload with that. But if you did enjoy this box break, feel free to leave a like, comment below, and if you have not yet hit the subscribe button, make sure you do so. We got plenty more box breaks, Mystery Pack Mondays, 6-pack Saturdays, and Sunday uploads to come.